Northeast on water.
And I don't have all the information behind this one, but this travel trailer is toast. At least that's the name of the video. Looks like it flipped over and it didn't fare so well. Most travel trailers don't do well once they flip over. Check it out. Ray sends this in. I believe that's how you pronounce the name. Found this really cool crawler hauler on carsandbids.com. Thought, why not share it with Joe, my favorite YouTuber? Oh, that's very nice of you. I'll put a link in the description to this, but here, check out some of the pics.